Okay, I'm just going to make a short statement. I'm very pleased by today's verdict. The judge found me and the women who gave evidence on my behalf to be credible, honest witnesses and said that my actions were not criminal and did not constitute harassment. The judge commented that the complainant, a well-known trans activist, was not truthful. There are a group of dangerous men who are determined to bully women and girls and to misuse the courts and police in furtherance of a misogynistic agenda. I'm proud to have stood up to them and I will continue to do so. I'm grateful to the Free Speech Union for their unwavering support and for helping to ensure that those who speak out against these dangerous activists are protected. If you want to join me in thanking the Free Speech Union, please join them. Thank you very much.
Will you be appealing the conviction?
Yes.
Could we get a word just on the impact that the trial has had on you, just on a personal level?
It's what they do. It's what trans activists do. We have a phrase: "The punishment is the process," and they like to put people through these kinds of experiences to make them frightened about standing up to them. But I'm hoping that with this judgment, the people in future won't be subject to those kind of tactics.
And what's your message to Sophia?
He's probably wise. See you later.
Let's try though.
Don't leave women alone.